Welcome to Augmented You. My name is Jan, I'm your host, and on this channel, we equip you with all the information needed to thrive in the age of artificial intelligence. If you're new to the channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. We post videos every week, videos covering all the key topics, all the key happenings from the AI world, because at Augmented You, we believe that you should be mastering AI and not AI mastering you. So make sure to click the subscribe button, click the bell notification icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. And if you're already a member of this community, thank you, welcome back, we appreciate you. The topic of today's video, AI breakthroughs. The way I want to structure this is first cover the news, what has happened. Second, cover the impact. How will this impact our future, your future? And third, the action. How can you prepare for it? How can you benefit from it? Without further ado, let's jump right into it. News item number one, it's rumors and it's OpenAI. OpenAI Strawberry AI is reportedly the secret sauce behind next generation Orion language model. OpenAI is developing two new AI models that could significantly advance the field. Strawberry aims to solve complex math and programming problems better than current systems, while Orion aims to surpass GPT-4's capabilities with the help of Strawberry. Let's unpack this. Project Q Star, then renamed to Project Strawberry. Those are OpenAI's projects aimed at improving, enhancing reasoning capabilities within AI models. So current large language models really good at natural language understanding, really good at natural language generation, not so good at solving complex problems, let's say complex math problems. And this is what OpenAI's team is trying to address with Project Strawberry. Now, how does Orion play a role in this story? Now, Strawberry, it is supposedly capable of solving those advanced tasks, but it takes time. So it is not appropriate for latency critical systems where a user wants a response very quickly. Strawberry takes its time to solve the problem and then come up with an answer. So what OpenAI is planning to do is use Strawberry as a training dataset generation model. So a model that would generate synthetic training data to train next generation of OpenAI's models, which is Orion. Is Orion GPT-5? Perhaps. When is Orion coming? Some believe already this year. Some believe it is going to happen in 2025. But this is not all from OpenAI. So this first article anticipates Strawberry sometime later this year. But now, just 2 days ago, we saw a new article which says that Project Strawberry or Strawberry model coming in the next 2 weeks. So how will OpenAI release it? Again, supposedly within their ChatGPT offering. So by all accounts, Strawberry will be considered a reasoning model, meaning that it will be capable of taking on more complicated requests that require multiple steps to complete, from solving tricky algebra problems to developing a comprehensive months-long marketing campaign. The information also reported that at launch, Strawberry will only be able to process text, unlike GPT-4o, OpenAI's flagship model that can process images and audio. So this will be very interesting to see if this actually comes out and if it is actually capable at solving more advanced tasks. But even this is not all from OpenAI. Another news item came from OpenAI Japan, came from the president of OpenAI Japan, and it is OpenAI's next model named GPT Next. And looking at a graphic, it could come out, or it is supposedly coming out later this year in 2024. And it improves performance to GPT-4 by 100 times. So again, looking at a graphic, GPT-4 improves performance by 100 times compared to GPT-3. And now again, 100x going to GPT Next. So exciting stuff from OpenAI. Second news item of the day, and it is from the Magic Team, 100 million token context window. So models trained by the Magic Team are capable of reasoning across a context window of 100 million tokens. Now they're focused on the software development domain. So that means, let's say, a large code base comprised of a lot of tokens, but those tokens could be fed to the model at inference when the model is coming up with an answer, let's say trying to solve a programming task. So this is very exciting. This is a big jump, big expansion to what we're seeing in some of the other models in context window length. News item number 3, it is from 1X Technologies, and it is a new humanoid robot called Neo. And Neo is the most human-like humanoid robot we have seen up to date. So let's look at this one. So this is how Neo looks. It is wearing human-like clothes, and it's supposed to be a household robot. So it would help you with household tasks. So Neo's vision and movement can be quickly taken over by a remote human operator if you need support. Neo's body is engineered with muscle-like anatomy instead of rigid hydraulics, so they're strong and gentle like we are. So again, the most human-like humanoid robot we have seen. Neo can walk, jog, climb stairs, and navigate your space naturally. As they move and perform tasks, they get even more efficient. So again, designed to operate in a household. Neo specifications: 5.4 feet tall, 66 pounds, 2.5 miles per hour walk speed, 7.5 miles per hour run speed, 44-pound carry capacity, and 2 to 4 hour runtime. This is very impressive. Let's look at how it looks. Safety first for Neo, but even more impressive, let's look at the video of Neo helping a girl with her school bag. So Neo asks if help is needed, where he gets the approval to perform a task. He does it and helps with a item. Picks up the school bag and hands it over to the girl. It's impressed by its own look. It's impressed by its arms. I can't believe what I can do. And then it invites the girl for a one last goodbye photo. But joking aside, this is very impressive. So this actually looks like the most human-like humanoid robot we have seen from 1X Technologies. News item number 4, and this is the last one in this section, and it's AI that can spot cancer and viral infections at nanoscale precision. So this comes out of the Center of Genomic Regulation, and it is an AI system that can identify cancer cells. So the tool AI of the nucleus scans high-resolution images of cells. The images are obtained with a special microscopy technique called STORM, which creates a picture that captures many finer details than what regular microscopes can see. The high-definition snapshots reveal structures at nanoscale resolution. Here's an image of this system. Now, just to make this very clear, a nanometer is 1 billionth of a meter, and a strand of human hair is about 100,000 nanometers wide. The AI can detect rearrangements inside cells as small as 20 nanometers or 5,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. These alterations are too small and subtle for human observers to find with traditional methods alone. So this is another scientific breakthrough in the field of medicine, in the field of pathology. The impact. So why does all of this matter? I want to start with OpenAI's Strawberry project and with a 100 million tokens context window size from the Magic team. So what we've seen, what we've been able to observe in the past few months are only incremental improvements in the capabilities of large language models, in the complexity of tasks that these models are capable of solving. If we go back to GPT-2, a huge leap from GPT-2 to GPT-3. From GPT-3 to GPT-4, again, a big jump. But now, last few months, only incremental improvements. Now, obviously, given these models are already very capable to performing very well on certain benchmarks that we use to evaluate them on, but we are not really seeing major leaps as we did before. This could all change if OpenAI's team has actually figured it out. If they have figured out how we can now train and develop an AI system that is capable of reasoning, that is capable of decomposing a task, that is capable of step-by-step problem solving. This is now much closer to how we humans think and approach complex problems. What this would result in is a wider application of AI solutions. So if you think about the tasks where you can currently help yourself with ChatGPT, this will expand. So we will now be able to deploy these models in more environments, in more complex environments. We will now be able to automate a lot of the tasks that are currently performed by humans. And very similarly, with a ever-expanding context window size. So we went from a few hundred tokens to a few thousand, now to millions of tokens. This means that these models are now efficient enough to be capable of processing a lot of information at inference time. This means that when you ask the model a question, when you give it a task, it is capable of processing a lot of information and use that information to perform the task that you have given it. And this will all expand the applications of AI models. Second, robots, humanoid robots, new one this week from 1X Technologies Neo. So what we've been seeing, what we can observe in the robotics field is a full-on sprint, full steam ahead for companies that are developing humanoid robots. Now, two reasons for it. First, robotics. That field has been active for quite some time, but it has now started to gain popularity. And then second, AI models, large language models. We are now seeing robotics companies use, let's say, OpenAI's models to give their robots a capability of conversing with humans, right? Of having a conversation with a human, of understanding human tasks, because the natural language understanding capabilities are very good. So what will happen in the future, in very near term future, is we're gonna start seeing real scenario, real environment deployments of these models. We're already seeing it in the industry, but I think it will not take long for us to see humanoid robots deployed in households, helping us with certain tasks, helping us do chores, for instance. So this is something that we need to prepare for, because this field is moving forward extremely, extremely quickly. And we see a lot of big tech players investing a lot of money into robotics. Just recently, Amazon made a move by hiring founders in a portion of employees of Covariant, which is a robotics startup. So this is something to keep an eye out on, because we're going to start seeing real life deployments of these robots very, very soon. AI that can spot cancer by scanning high resolution images of cells. So this is just one of the breakthroughs in the medical field, in the field of pathology diagnostics in the past few weeks. So what this means is, what the impact of this is, we will now be able to detect more diseases more accurately and sooner. This is very good. What we are also seeing is AI is positively impacting treatment procedures, drug discovery. This is where AI is also put to good use. So as mentioned, this is something to be very excited about, and I think in the next months, years, we can expect more of such results, more of such breakthroughs come out, which are going to positively impact our society. The action. So how can you prepare for it? How can you benefit from the announcements that we have covered today? Starting with OpenAI, their Strawberry project, with a 100 million tokens context window size from the Magic team, with greater reasoning capabilities that are coming to AI models sooner than later, you should understand three things. You should understand, first, which tasks will very soon in the near future be automated by artificial intelligence. Second, you should understand in which tasks AI will be used to augment human performance, to improve how well humans can perform this task. And then thirdly, what are areas that are not accessible to AI? What are areas, domains that will not be greatly impacted by AI? Now, this last area is getting ever smaller, but still, you understanding those three things will help you do the following. First, not develop your skills in the direction in which AI automation will be big, in which most of the tasks will be automated by artificial intelligence. That is not a wise investment of your time. Second, tasks where AI will augment human performance. In this area, you should be able to use AI tools efficiently. You should get better at understanding AI, how it works, and how you can use it starting today to do your current job better. There's a lot of great materials for that available online. I want to refer to a video on this channel on retrieval augmented generation, because it is the most prevalent Gen AI implementation technique in the enterprise, and is something that, if you understand it, it will benefit how well you can do your job today and in the next weeks, months, and years. And the last category, this is where you should invest most of your time, understanding where you, with your expertise, with your skills, with your experience, will bring added value. This is how you can thrive in the age of artificial intelligence that is coming. Second, humanoid robots. So Neo introduced just this week from 1X Technologies, the most human-like humanoid robot, up to date. What to do about it? What's the action? First, accept that this is coming. We will start to interact with humanoid robots more and more in the very near future. So we saw a lot of companies investing money in humanoid robots. There's Tesla, there's Amazon, there's Boston Dynamics, a lot of big robotics companies investing a lot of money in humanoid robots. And this is coming very soon in the near future. In the next months, we're probably going to start to interact with humanoid robots in our everyday lives, at our jobs, eventually at our households. So what to do about it? Understand what things these robots are able to do, how you interact with them, how you use them efficiently. So it's very similar as other very capable devices, just the smartphones, right? It was a new device. You needed to get good at it. You needed to get efficient at using it if you wanted to operate and thrive in this world. It will be very similar with humanoid robots. And on the other hand, understand what those robots will not do. Relationships, emotions, they won't raise your kids. So those are things that you will still need to invest your time and effort in. And last action for today, research breakthroughs in the medical field. So we have AI that can now spot cancer based on high resolution scans. What's the action? What to do about it? Take care of yourself and your health today. So medicine will greatly improve in the near future. Diagnostics, pathology, treatments, drug discovery, all of that is going to get better. Survivability will go up. This is all very good. This is all something to be excited about. This is something where we can be excited that we have AI, that AI is progressing as fast as it is. So what's the action today? Take care of your health today. This is it for AI breakthroughs, the news, the impact, the action. Thank you for watching the video. If you are new to the channel, click the subscribe button, click the bell notification icon so that you get notified every time we post a new video. We have a new one coming up next week. Thank you for being with us, and until next time.